Welcome to a world of well-being, brought to you by Health Spectra. Hey there, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that's incredibly important for your health and well-being: proper wound care and the best antiseptics to use for open wounds. Proper wound care is crucial for preventing infections and ensuring quick healing. By using the right antiseptics, you can eliminate harmful bacteria, reduce the risk of infections, and promote your body's natural healing mechanisms. Here's a rundown of the best antiseptics for open wounds that you should consider incorporating into your wound care routine. Before we go further, remember to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button below, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends or on your social media platforms. And make sure to scroll down to the description for links to all the products mentioned. Now, let's dive back into the video. 7 Best Antiseptics for Open Wounds, a comprehensive guide. Number 1. Hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is a popular antiseptic known for its bubbling action, which helps remove debris and kill bacteria. When applied, it releases oxygen, creating an environment where anaerobic bacteria can't thrive. Use it in limited amounts and follow the instructions for a safe wound cleansing experience. Number 2. Iodine Solution. Iodine Solution is well known for its broad-spectrum antibacterial properties, making it a reliable choice for wound treatment. Effective against bacteria, viruses, and fungi, iodine solutions like Betadine are popular for their versatility and effectiveness. Number 3. Alcohol-based antiseptics. Isopropyl alcohol is a common alcohol-based antiseptic used for disinfecting minor cuts and abrasions. Its rapid bacteria-killing action makes it a staple in first aid kits. Number 4. Chlorhexidine. Chlorhexidine is highly effective and widely used in surgical settings and for treating open wounds. Its long-lasting antibacterial action makes it the preferred choice for healthcare professionals in preventing infections during surgeries and ongoing wound care. Number 5. Silver-containing antiseptics. Silver-containing antiseptics, such as silver sulfadiazine, are potent antimicrobial agents used in wound care. Silver disrupts bacterial cell membranes, preventing infections in open wounds and burns. Products like silver sulfadiazine cream provide a reliable barrier against infections while promoting wound healing. Number 6. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is a natural antiseptic with antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, making it an excellent choice for minor cuts and abrasions. It soothes the skin and promotes a comfortable healing process while preventing infections. However, it's crucial to dilute tea tree oil with a carrier oil, such as olive or coconut oil, to prevent skin irritation. Number 7. Polyhexamethylene Biguanide, PHMB. PHMB is a modern antiseptic known for its broad-spectrum antibacterial capabilities, making it essential for advanced wound care. It's used in wound dressings and solutions to treat acute and chronic wounds, ensuring they don't become infected and promoting better healing conditions. Choosing the right antiseptic for open wounds is vital for effective wound care and infection control. For severe or non-healing wounds, consult healthcare professionals to determine the best treatment. Proper wound care, including the thoughtful selection and application of antiseptics, can prevent infections and encourage quicker recovery. Remember, proper wound care can make a significant difference in your healing process. Stay safe and take care. If you liked this video, please press the subscribe button for more health-related advice and insights. Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. We appreciate your time and we'll see you in the upcoming video. Be careful and continue to be well.